Toonly. Is it actually worth it to buy and use the tool for creating explainer videos or animated videos? Now, from my perspective, I wouldn't recommend it for you. I'm not paid by the competitors as a Powtoon or Beyond and others. This is just like my perspective, what you should actually do. In this video, I will share with you a few reasons why you shouldn't use it. I will talk about also some positive sides about Toonly. Toonly is quite similar product to Dudley. Dudley is a whiteboard animation tool. So when you come here, let me show you. This is Toonly and this is Dudley.com. It's a whiteboard animation and it's owned by the same company. So Toonly and Dudley, they got also similar pricing plans, similar website, how it looks like. So it's really similar, but Toonly is about animation, right? About how you can create explainer videos, colorful one. Dudley, on the other hand, is a whiteboard animation. Now, Toonly is okay-ish, but from my perspective, it's really outdated. That's the first thing. The second thing, it's like the characters don't look good. You can't really customize the characters, and it's just like not that great to use. But again, that's what I think. Now, what are some cons that I see in Toonly and also some pros? So, as I mentioned, characters looks really outdated. If you would buy the Toonly, you would see by yourself that comparing to Beyond or Animaker or Powtoon, on the competitor side, they look just like much better comparing to Toonly videos. Then, you can't actually animate characters. Yes, you can have the character animations, the 31, which are basic ones. So, popular uses, you can have like okay-ish, really okay, how would I call it, animation, but only 30, but you can't animate it like, let's say that someone will be walking. You can't do it with Toonly, and it's a huge thing. So that's something definitely to think about. Yes, they have the reviews, but let's say that they were just using just Toonly and nothing else. It's lacking. It's really lacking the option to animate it much better, and for the price, for the $69, having only 30 character animations, it's not enough. So that's my perspective, that I wouldn't personally recommend it. Now, when we go even further, you can't generate subtitles, and you need to use different program for that. And that's something definitely to think about when you want to use Toonly, that if you need to use subtitles, you won't be able to do it. So that's another thing. Then you can't also import videos to Toonly. So if you want to use Toonly and you want to import your own video, so let's say you have a character appear in front of your video, you can't do it, and you will be unable to do it. So that's another thing to think about when you want to use Toonly. And also Toonly is outdated, and the updates, plenty of people are saying that it is not updated that much. And comparing to the competition, the pricing plans are really expensive. So that's another thing to think about if you want to use Toonly. Then you see the characters, the character animations, prop images, backgrounds, background audios. And when you go to like Beyond, it's like much more better and complex. So this is pretty much it. I just wanted to make this quick video for you to know that I even made, when you would come here, I even made Toonly review. So you can see the whole, look at this. And I made it, I bought the program, I was testing it. And as you can see, like it looks just not that great. And I'm like presenting Beyond, which got thousands of animations that you can use, comparing to Toonly, which is like not that great, right? But again, this is just my perspective, what you can do and how you can perceive Toonly. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. Definitely watch this before using Toonly. I recommend checking it out. And yeah, thank you, have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.